Oh, Dairy Queen. Can you hear it? Hear it ringing? Ah. Hey, I'm having a birthday party. I need to pre-order a bunch of blizzards.
What?
I need to pre-order some blizzards, some DQ blizzards. You still carry the blizzards, correct?
Again?
The blizzard. The blizzard?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to order like 10 of those. I got 10 little boys over here that want some blizzards. But
You want to order a blizzard, right?
yes, I want no, not one. I want to order 10 blizzards. So when I come there and I'll be there in like 30, 40 minutes.
You know, what happened is the line is choppy. That's why I cannot understand this clearly.
Oh, you can't.
Because it's choppy. But the way I understand is you want to print, right?
Yes, but not one blizzard. I want to pre-order 10 blizzards.
Okay.
All right. The kids said they want 3 blue raspberries.
You want to order the blazer, the paint, or it's just blazer? Hello?
Hi.
Blazer.
I want to order 10 blizzards. So I don't, when I come up...
Blazer.
Blizzard. Yes. Okay.
Okay. You want a 10 blazer. So first I need to know which size for your 10 blazer.
What are little boys, so I'm just going to get some smalls.
Small is a 12 ounce one, not a mini, right?
Correct, 12 ounces.
Small.
Yes, the small.
Okay, small. So you want the 10 small size, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes.
10 okay. Okay, can you tell me which flavor would you like?
3 blue raspberries, 2 cherry.
No, give me a second. You want the 3?
No, 3 blue raspberries, 2 cherries.
I don't have blue raspberry for blizzard. It's for Arctic Crush.
Oh, Arctic Crush. Dang.
So this one I need to know what you need. You want the blizzard? You want the Arctic Crush?
I guess the Arctic Crush.
You need the 10 Arctic Crush?
Yes.
Where are you now?
I'm at my house right now. Why?
So the Arctic Crush, I cannot make for you now. So when you come to store, I will make for you in front of you really fast.
It's faster.
So you come to store, and then you order the flavor, and we make for you for the Arctic Crush.
Alright, I'll be there in about 20 or 30 minutes.
Okay, so I will here in the 30 minutes, and we will make for you next time. It's okay?
Okay.
Okay, it's not a blizzard, it's Arctic Crush, right?
No, blizzards.
You want the blizzard?
Yes.
But the blizzard, I don't have blue raspberry. Blue raspberry is for Arctic Crush.
Oh, you're kidding. I could have sworn I had berries on my blizzard before.
Do you know why? It's so hard to order right now. You just come to the store for the 10 small blizzard. It's not a big deal. I make for you in 10 minutes.
Okay. 10 minutes. Okay. Oh, that sucked. Why didn't even pre-order my shit?